So welcome, this is IBDP AAHL, paper 2 of May June 2022, question number 11. A bakery makes two types of muffins, chocolate muffins and banana muffins. The C weight grams of chocolate muffins is normally distributed with mean 62 and standard deviation 2.9. Find the probability that chocolate muffin weigh less than 61 grams. So, probability of C less than 61 grams. Use the calculator with use the GDC. You can use it on the GDC to use this one and get the answer as 0.365112. Three significant figures 0.365. Next, in a random selection 12 chocolate muffins, find the probability that exactly 5 weigh less than 61 grams. So now for part B, probability of success is 0.365. Out of 12, exactly 5 should weigh 0.365112 and remaining 7 should weigh 0.361 minus 0.365112 and so on. This is one of the way of doing it out the answer. And you should be getting 0.214. Now coming to the next part of the question. The weight B grams of a banana muffin are normally distributed 68 grams and standard deviation 3.4. Each day 60% of the muffin mates are chocolate. So remaining 40% will be banana. On a particular day, a muffin is randomly selected from all those made at the bakery. Find the probability that randomly selected muffin weighs less than 61 grams. So it should be either be a banana muffin less than 61 grams or a chocolate muffin less than 61 grams. So it can be a chocolate muffin and it should be less than 61 grams, or it should be a banana muffin and it should be less than 61 grams. Chocolate muffin is going to be nothing but how much? 0.6, 60%. And this value just now we got 0.365 and so on. So banana muffin will be 0.4 times this one will be probability of banana muffin less than 61 grams. Use the GDC for this one. You should be able to get this value as 0.0197. For this particular value, use a GDC where mu is equals to mean equals to 68 and standard deviation is 3.4. 68 and standard deviation is 3.4. Use a GDC to get that answer. So final answer is going to be 0.227. Given that the randomly selected muffin weighs less than 61, find that it is a chocolate muffin. So it is a chocolate muffin given that that muffin is less than 61 grams. So what does it becomes? The denominator becomes the muffin which is less than 61 grams. The numerator becomes probability of chocolate intersection the muffin less than 61 grams. So this one was 0.6 times 0.365 and so on, plus 0.4 times 0.0197 and so on. A part of it goes to the numerator, which part? The chocolate muffin part. 0.6 times 0.365112. Simplify that, you should be getting 0.965183. Three significant figures, 0.965. Next question. The machine that makes chocolate muffin is adjusted so that the mean weight of the chocolate muffins remain the same, but the standard deviation changes to sigma. The machine that makes banana muffins is not adjusted. The probability that the weight randomly selected muffin from these machines less than is now 0.157. Find the value of sigma. So probability of chocolate muffin and probability of the chocolate should be less than 61 plus probability of banana muffin and probability of that banana muffin should be less than 61. This entire equation equal to 0.157. For this one, the probability is 0.6 and we don't know what is the probability of chocolate muffin less than 61 because sigma is changed. And for this part, no change. So therefore, what is it going to be? Banana muffin is going to be 0.4 and its probability is 0.197555 and so on, equals to 0.157. So from here, 0.6 times probability of the chocolate muffin less than 61 equals to 0.157 minus 0.4 times 0.01975 and so on. So this becomes 0.248496. Probability of divided by 0.6. This entire thing, I bring this 0.6 out to the other side. So probability of chocolate muffin less than 61. Now you know the probability. Use inverse normal. Use inverse normal in the GDC. You should be getting sigma value as 1.47225. In three significant figures, 1.47 grams. That's going to be the answer.